Have you ever wanted to bring your data to life with stunning maps right inside Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, step by step, so your presentations look professional and impactful. Start by opening PowerPoint. If you already have a presentation, open it. If not, create a new one. Next, head to the top menu and click on Insert. Here, you'll find options to add all kinds of elements, but today we're focusing on charts. Click Chart, and a window will pop up showing different chart types. Look for the Maps category and select Filled Map. So why a filled map? Filled maps are perfect for visualizing data across regions. Think sales by state, population trends, or any stats that benefit from a geographic view. Once you click OK, the map appears on your slide, and an Excel window will open right alongside it. This embedded spreadsheet lets you enter your data without leaving PowerPoint. Super convenient for quick edits or updates. Now, your map is ready. You can further customize it by changing colors, adjusting data labels, or tweaking regions to match your presentation style. A little experimentation here can make your maps not only informative, but visually striking. And that's it. You've just learned how to create and customize filled maps in Excel and PowerPoint. Whether you're presenting business insights, educational data, or demographic trends, these maps make your information clear, engaging, and memorable. Give it a try and see how your presentations can transform with this simple yet powerful feature.